How to mention everyone in a Telegram group. Welcome back to the channel, and let's get started with this easy tutorial. Starting off, you need to launch a Telegram application or open up your App Store or Play Store and search for Telegram. If you have not installed it, make sure to install or update or just tap open. Once you are in your Telegram, select on the conversation that you want to mention. Now in the message box, just type in @, then type everyone. Now, after this, you can insert the message that you want to send in the group, and it will be notified to everyone present in the group. Now it is a quick and easy process. However, if you face any of the difficulty regarding it, you need to press and hold onto your app to head to app info. Force stop it, head to storage and cache and clear up the cache. This will fix the bug issue. Then open up your settings. Through your settings, you have to navigate to the section of System Update. Ensure that your mobile device is up to date. Next, tap on Apps once again, select on all apps and head to Telegram. This is an alternative way to force stop it, then clearing up the cache. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.